Some flowers fill a garden with fragrance, others with color. But purple blooms, they bring a kind of quiet magic. Today we're walking through some of my favorite purple flowers for a dreamy cottagecore garden. Blooms that invite bees and butterflies and keep the enchantment going from spring to frost. Purple has always carried meaning. In folklore, lavender stands for calm and devotion, while violets are a symbol of modesty, and in some tales, a gift from the fairies. In the garden, purple is a unifier. It softens reds, deepens blues, and makes pinks glow. In a cottage garden, it stirs up whimsy and creativity, as if each bloom could hold a story. When you think of purple, what's the first flower that comes to mind? Some of the most romantic purples come from plants you only get to enjoy for a single season. Cosmos are whimsical, easy-to-grow flowers that dance in the breeze. Their purple petals bring a carefree, natural charm to cottage gardens. Sow them directly into the soil, and soon their delicate purple faces will dance above your garden beds all summer long. With shades ranging from lilac to deep violet, they bloom endlessly if you keep cutting. Verbena grows tall and airy, like little clouds of purple floating above the garden, and it draws butterflies from every corner. Verbena is a true giver, clusters of tiny purple blooms that keep going and going. But there's a flower that can tumble from a window box like a purple waterfall. Trailing petunias are wonderful for filling gaps. They spill from containers, soften borders, and give you a season-long flush of color. Perhaps the most romantic of all, sweet peas bring fragrance as well as beauty. Climbing fences and trellises, their tendrils curl and reach, filling the garden air with an old-fashioned perfume that feels like stepping back in time. They bloom in the cool of spring and early summer, so sow them early for the best display. Plant any of these annuals alongside perennials and you'll weave purple through the whole season. Lavender is the heart of a purple garden. It's fragrant, drought-tolerant, and loved by pollinators. It's a symbol of serenity, romance, and simple living, making it a must-have for any cottagecore garden. Plant it where you brush against it, a pathway, a border, so the scent greets you each time you pass. Coneflowers aren't just pink. Their blooms return with ease, especially when trimmed after the first show. Birds love her seeds, bees hum her praises, and your soul will too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Catmint or Nepeta flows like a purple mist along garden paths. It's easy to grow, blooms for weeks, and the bees practically live in it. Alliums bring structure, tall spheres in shades of violet that last for weeks and dry beautifully for arrangements. They add whimsy to the garden like floating purple lanterns. Salvia glows with deep violet spikes, or an almost electric purple. It blooms heavily if you give it a midsummer haircut. Dahlias add beauty to any cottagecore garden with their intricate layered petals. Their pretty purples are stunning in late summer and fall gardens. But planting purple isn't just about picking flowers. It's about pairing them so they tell a story. Pair purple with white for contrast. Or purple with pink for a dreamy blended effect. For magic in motion, create a purple path by planting blooms in various shades along a pathway. Would you go for a full purple themed bed or sprinkle it through your garden? In Victorian flower language, purple blooms were often tied to mystery and enchantment. Folklore says violets mark the place where fairies dance at night, and lavender placed under your pillow will bring sweet dreams. And indoors, cut purple flowers bring a sense of calm, perfect for a reading nook or bedside table. But when purple fades, another wave of color is ready to take over. Next time we'll talk about fall blooms that bring your garden alive with color, right until the frost.